Let's make jam with fresh fruits, fresh strawberries and peaches. Cut both the strawberries and the peaches into small chunks. You can use sugar in it, but instead of sugar I am using jaggery. That is more healthy, so add 1.5 cups of jaggery. Let it set for a few hours before you put it on the stove to cook. Cover the lid for 10 minutes. Cook for 10 minutes with the cover lid. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Cover it again on low heat for at least 30 more minutes. So after 30 to 40 minutes, open the lid and you will see this kind of consistency. You can still see the chunks, as I like chunks in the jam. Now switch off the flame. And mash the jam either with the electric blender or the manual hand blender. Within few minutes, you can see the exact consistency, as you can still see the chunks. On this stage, add lemon juice. Lemon juice will help it to stay fresh for at least 2 months in the refrigerator. If you are making in large quantity or if you want to preserve it for long, then add sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a preservative. Now you can see the jam is 100% ready. Let the jam cool on the room temperature, and after that transfer it into a glass jar. I never buy the jam from the market since I've started making at home with the fresh fruits. It tastes so amazing. You must try at your home. It's healthy as it has no preservative, and you could put it in the fridge and use for 1 to 2 months. Do like my video and subscribe my channel.